my God. Oh my God. Well, here we are. Somewhere near Topanga. I think Topanga's right through there. So, this is sick though. This is like a horse track kind of deal. There's a trail right there, but I don't know how to get to it, especially without pissing these people off. But let's go explore. And there was a huge hill climb I just did, and I wasn't recording. Oh boy. Oh. There's a trail that went left here. Pocket. Dude, this is awesome. Totally not allowed to be here, but screw it. Okay, well, it says that's private property and I came from there, so we must be good. Oh, those are fresh. There might be horses. I don't want to spook a horse. Dude, this is awesome. Yeah, this fresh horse poopy. Oh. Okay, there we go. Now my voice won't be so muffled. Just going slow. Don't want to spook any horses. This is tight for a horse though. You'd be smacking your head on the top of these branches. Oh, and branches and stuff. I gotta learn to talk quiet because my mic is like broken and I'm getting a new one soon. So I'm making do with this. Oh my God, this is like such a vibe. Okay, so there's a little crossing. I feel like that compound is right here. It might be. Yeah, this is sketch. There's probably someone right there because the van's back door is open. Let's just go up here. If there's nothing or it's too sus, we dip. Yeah, a gate. Oh.
That was a beautiful ride last night. I might post up in this little woodsy area and take some pictures.
Oh, but that trail goes like around. Should we send it? I don't know. I think I'll come back another day with some buddies. But this is beautiful. And by the way, yes, my bike has a spark arrestor. So if anyone's like, oh my God, you're gonna start a fire? She doesn't shoot flames, sadly. Another little jump. Oh, that was sketch. Didn't get those on camera. Oh my God, I'm starting to get it. Oh, it's like a playground. Fun?
Going down?
I don't know. I have not gone down yet. I was just worried about him getting mad. I have no idea what's down here. Darn, this is right. Hurry up. Oh, we're going into the ravine. It's like a dirt canyon. Hui! Don't want to fall in that rut. Thank God I just got new front brake pads on this thing, because the front brakes before were sketch. Okay. Now we're going down. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Oh no! I can't. Ooh, I bet the hill climb's right. No. I think it's actually. I think it's this way more. If I go down it, I might not be able to get back up it. Actually, I will. There's no way. This thing, you can always walk it up in first. I kind of want to get stuck. Put this thing to its test. The test of the 100. Little tiny hill climb. I bet this is it. Warning. Nah. Ooh. Pocket. Oh boy. Yeah, going up that is gonna be a pain. I got it though. Oh my god. Oh god. I swear to god, if I get stuck down here. It looks like a trail. What the fuck am I doing? Okay. Oh. Jesus. Oh. Oh my god. There's no way I'm making that. Oh god, what did I get myself into? Yeah, there's no way. That's like straight up. But how am I gonna make it back? Oh shit. Oh no. This is a very bad idea. Alright, it's time to get crafty. Okay. I mean, could I make it up there? Could I? That's gnarly. I wouldn't even attempt out my 500. Oh boy. I guess we gotta go back.
First year. This time I share. Well, we're for sure gonna test the skills of the 100. For sure.
This is gonna be a pain.
The only good part about this is that I can pick this bike up. It's literally the only good part about this.
Oh my God. All right. Now, let me think. See what's going on. I gotta get the bike over this pipe. And we're at a slant. I can't go back the other way because that hill climb is like twice as gnarly. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Okay, so I just walked up that mountain. Not making that at all. My best chance is to go back. It's just getting, this has to look so easy on camera, but I'm just gonna, you know, catch my breath, try to throw this thing, because once I get over this, the rest is kind of easier. It's just getting over this. So, oh my goodness. Alright, update. So, I'm bumping music. I made it a little bit farther. I had to freaking throw the bike over this. But now it's getting past this sign. So, and I dug myself in a good rut. So, I got some buddies with some rope on the way and they're gonna pull me out of this. Oh my God, we made it. The homies came and rescued me. Oh my God. Thank you.
Active Valley.
Looking up right now. Oh my God. Don't go down there. Because like, as you guys can see the trails and how it continues. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. But all that matters is that we made it. And nothing is damaged. No levers are snapped. All the plastics are intact. Oh wow. Never gonna do that again.